So today we are gonna solve this longest common prefix problem. So here we have basically the input and output. So in input we'll be having a list of words like we have flower, flow and flight. So we have to find a common prefix of each word in this list, which is longest. Okay, so here in all these words of the list of words, we have fl as common prefix because it is coming at the start of each string, and that is also common in all the strings as well as the longest. So fl is the output for this. So I have already written the skeleton kind of thing, function structure, which is having pass, which is to be implemented, and I have also written this runner, which will be calling the function with the input flower, flow and flight. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to basically iterate over one of these words, like any word we can iterate over. For each character of that word, we'll be checking in each string of the list that at that particular index, whether that character is found in each string or not. If it is not found, then we will be breaking out of that loop, and if it is found at the same index, then we'll be keep on increasing the common prefix, and at the end we'll be basically returning that. So let's try to implement that. So first of all, we'll be iterating over the first string of the list, so that we can do like this. And we also need index, so we'll be also having index as well as the character of that string in maybe input list at 0th index, because the first string or whatever string we want to iterate over, that will be fine. For index I, and in we'll have to use enumerate in order to find the index as well. Okay, so now we basically need to have a check for the character I, whether this is present at index this of each of the string of this list. So basically we can have a check in a, so basically we will be iterating over the list, input list, and we will be making use of list comprehension in Python to make sure that we are iterating over each word and also checking whether that character is present at the given index or not. So let's check that, and if it is not present, then we'll be putting false in that list, and we'll be checking subsequently. So let's have a check. If false in list comprehension, false for word in input list. So basically we are iterating over input list for word in input list. If word index that we are getting over here is not equals to I, if like for each word at index the character is not same, then we need to break out of the loop. Else if they are same, then we need to initialize string common prefix initially with the empty string. Else what we'll be doing is we'll be basically keep on increasing or adding I to it. So at the end we will be returning this common prefix string, and that is getting printed where the function is getting called. So let's try to run this once. Okay, so this has printed fl, which is the correct output. Okay, let's try with another maybe input to make sure that things are working fine. FLO FLO and FLO, put FLO here as well. So in this it should written FLO for the second run. FLO, you can see FLO, and for first it is FL, and then for second it is FLO. So now the solution is correct. So as I have already described what I have implemented, so basically I'll walk you through once again. So problem is understood that we have to find the longest common prefix of list of string. So basically this is the function longest common prefix with the input list, and we have initialized a variable with empty string, and then we are iterating over the first word of the string, sorry, list, and then for each character we are finding the index as well as character, and then we using list comprehension we are trying to find whether that character is present in each of the string of the list at the same index or not. If they are not, then false is being put in the list and it will get populated. So at the end of the population we are checking whether any false is present in the populated list. If it is so, we'll be breaking out of the loop, else we'll be basically increasing the common prefix or adding or appending basically the character into that string, and at the end of the function we are returning the same string that we had initialized. So that is the solution. And I think if you have any questions regarding this solution or the problem, if you have misunderstood or you have any kind of query, you can ask over the comment section and we can discuss over there. So thank you for your time, and if you have liked this solution or the problem or the the playlist itself, so you should be subscribing the channel and also clicking on bell icon so that you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Thanks a lot. Bye.